price volatility is not equals to risk. What is price volatility, right? Price volatility in simple words means the tendency for a share price to either swing upwards by a lot or swing downwards by a lot. Now, which also means that if you want to buy a pair of shoes and a pair of shoes is selling $100, and one day the price swing upwards, expensive, you won't buy. But one day the price swing downwards, it becomes cheaper, right? It's very good for us to buy something that's worth $100 at a cheap price, for example, $50. Now, if you look at this chart over here, this shows the price movement of S&P 500. On the 19th of February, you can see that the price was quite high at 6144.15, and subsequently when Donald Trump announced that there's going to be a tariff war, the price fell by 18.9%. So there's huge volatility, the price swing downwards on the 8th of April 2025. So now the question is, what can a value investors do, provided they see that price volatility is not equals to risk? This is a real transaction, a screenshot from my Interactive Brokers account, 21st of April, right? I bought this ETF called QQQ. Yeah, so I bought 100 shares, each shares at $430, so total it cost me about $43,080. So as of now, the paper gain is about 19.7% in 23 days. Absolute profit is a small amount of 8,000 plus. I think my point is, in order for us to make money, we have to take advantage of the price volatility when it swings downwards. So now the question is, in the near future, will price swing upwards or downwards? Now, US economy shrank 0.3% in the first quarter as Trump policy uncertainty weighed on businesses. Now, if the GDP on the second quarter goes down, it simply means that the US economy has gone through 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth, which means they have to announce that in US there is a technical recession. Then what will happen if such announcement is being made? Price will swing downwards. That's when a good time for us to buy a very good ETF or stock at a very cheap price. So again, that's my perspective. I just want to hear from you. What do you think about price volatility, right, versus risk? But before we go off, let's hear what Warren Buffett has to say about what are risks.
Risk comes from the nature of certain kinds of businesses. It can be risky to be in some businesses just by the simple economics of the type of business you're in. And it comes from not knowing what you're doing.
So remember, comment on this video politely and respectfully. I shall see you soon in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.